Hi guys, welcome to another beautiful day. It's just nice to see you guys, I suppose. It was, I don't know, it's different with person to person than just talking to the camera. So, que hola a todos, me da gusto verlos en otro día bonito. Que verlos, pero pues no más veo el teléfono, no es diferencia de persona a persona. Pero en este video, pues lo prometido, una can, gonna drink it all, and I'm gonna try not to burp. So yeah, dije que ok, pues la idea es que el video prometido es que me iba a tomar una soda entera sin eructar. So yeah, let's do it guys. It's room temperature, don't think it's cold, because if it's cold it sucks. Dije que es temperatura, no fría, no manches. I'm trying not to. Okay, I can hold it. I think I can hold it. Oh, my stomach hurts. Yeah. I can't do it. God damn. I'm sorry, I couldn't hold it. My stomach actually hurt. I like, imagine what I got. Like, I don't know, that's not half, honestly. I couldn't do it. It was hard enough. I was so gas built up. Well, let's see how hot. I could be. There you go, guys. I did it. Ya lo hice. Llegó media ensilada y pues ya es con oruta. Es que es difícil no rotar. Sientes todo el gas en tu estómago y te sientes mal. Que tienes que rotar. So, yeah. Imagínate que un animal como de bicarbonato no pueda rotar. Ay, qué bien feo. Eso de no poder eructar se siente feo. I said it feels very, very weird and like just, I don't like it. Like you feel full of gas and you need a burp. Imagine the carbon powder, and then to an animal they can't freaking down. It's just really sucks not to burp. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, you know. I hope you like the bird noises too. And see you on the next one. Ok, chicos y chicas, ya los dejo ir. Gracias por mirar mi video. Suscríbanse, a poner like y share. Y pues sí, bye.